Yo, what's up? What's up? It's green $70 today on a day that I could have easily been double this, if not triple. I mean, it realistically should have been double, but is what it is. Highs of 90. My goal was to not get back too much off highs, and all this happened. So it's kind of hard to tell if I was even gonna be green or not. But once we got up here and got back down to 70, I was like, all right, it's good enough. I'm only gonna take the best opportunity. So that's where we ended. Not really happy with how the day went, considering how crazy some of these stocks did go, but well, how crazy this main one did. KTTA, I think was that the most wild one? I forgot. Yeah, KTTA and Foxo both gave a lot of opportunity, but I wasn't able to capitalize on it, and also took some absolutely brain dead losses that I did not have to take. So I need to lock back in and not be making these retarded mistakes that I'm making. So right off market open, I realized I wanted to have enough shares for this in case it broke 4, but then I was like, wait,
Okay,
lagged really bad
through
off open yesterday, so I wanted to, I think I sized down here and made sure that I wasn't gonna lag. So I just took a quick trade. It's like, all right, the lag isn't there, so now we're looking for this 4 break on AREB.
It's gonna have baby hole bins.
Should have added here. Should have had this lower trend line drawn, but I did see that it was there. But just watch this one go by. Could have been an easy 10 cents on that trade plus. Now we're looking for some continuation here and do a 4 break.
Ah, you fucking bitch.
Kind of weak, and then it continued, of course,
Ah,
after.
you fucking bitch. Dip under 4.
First dip under 4 now. 396 would be ideal, obviously, but anywhere under 4. There's 97.
No. No.
Probably should just waited till it actually looked like it was going to bounce, because there it is. Candle goes green. Held down 410 a couple times.
Like
I'm kind of just saying all the things that are going through my mind as I'm trading it. Want to see it hold higher one of these times, or some kind of outlier variable.
KTTA looks interesting on the 5-minute.
Look at
Oh.
KTTA here. Added late through that 36 break, but I figured it might continue to squeeze like it had been, but of course it does not. Then it continues after. That's my own fault though. Not only did it, what was I getting in super high, it was after that. 36 break, but then of course every time I'm getting in, it's getting held down. hold down 45 there. I'm trying to give this one an extra second.
Okay, 47.
Now I need the 50 bust. Kind of a rejection there off 47. Right back up to it though. New candle opening through 47. I should be adding here for the 50 break, and I do.
Do it.
And then it's just a weak ass 50 break.
What? Hang on.
I got out 49 there too.
No, I got in.
Oh shit. Shit was just kind of really thin today. KTTA. Especially I believe was thin for most of the day. I think the float, I forgot what the float was, why it told me. So it must have been holding a lot of shares. On this new candle, I want to see it get over this previous candle, so that would be 53, and then it continue into 60. Get in when it looks like it might go over, but it stops at 53 again. Try to push it back into it, but it's not doing it.
What is this?
And then it does get over 53. Looks like it's strong with buyers, and then nope,
What is this lag?
it is not. So far it's not the worst. This candle dips bigger, then comes green. It's looking strong through 55, and then 60 is what we need. Boom, get in through 55 immediately. Rejects after. I definitely could have adjusted one way today of how do I say it? Definitely getting in earlier, but like, I don't know. I'll try to finish stop before I talk. Through 60 now. New candle, holding it high. Sell maybe a little prematurely there. Or holding down 60 anyway, and then it gets through. Or just holding it high, holding it high. Yeah, should have been in for it.
Held that high. Should have stuffed. What I get out at 66. Fuck off.
There's a missed op. Just haven't felt locked in the past 2 days. Let's see this loser that I take.
Under 65.
Alright.
Fuck.
And this thing's going crazy.
Yeah, I am too, but I'm scared up here. I don't. Okay, dip into like 87. Let's break through 3.
Holding it high, they're not letting it dip under 90. Still holding it high. Should have added their 93 area probably.
What the? Like that? What the fuck is?
Holding it high, holding it high. Still. I should be in here. Yeah, I do. Nice. Just a weak 3 break, but then it's still holding that 3 there, yeah.
Fuck.
Should have re-added right away. They held at 3.
Might
Even though it was a weak 3 break, Usually it's a sign of, obviously, it not being strong anymore, but they didn't let it dip back below 3. Had bids sitting there too, and then buyers came in. Definitely should have re-added.
Nah. It didn't print that. Nah. It didn't print that high. It
Didn't print over 20. Want to see where this closes, then looking for a trade in this new candle probably.
Probably should add there, but like I don't trust. We don't trust you, Metro.
Under 3. It's a good trade.
Oh shit.
And bang. First tip under 3. They just held it right here. Held 98. Buyers come in.
Oh shit.
Probably could have definitely given that one an extra second. Look at that. I got out 3 of 4, but man. It's 87.
Probably should be in.
Nope. I don't mind that trade. It's a good, I mean, it's a good chance it bounces there. It didn't that time, but. Oh, got a good one here. Back through 3. Size down because I'm a scared bitch. Holding it high here. New candle about to open up. Sitting right below 3. New candle opens. Buyers are coming in.
Oh,
Bang. Now, if I wouldn't have been a pussy and sized down, that could have been like 70 bucks, but instead it's like 30 something. Whatever. Push back over, I still don't think it's printed over 20 yet, so looking for a push through 20. Maybe if this candle closes up high, like that, and then we need to push through 20. Excuse me. Let's see this. Oh, kind of looked like they were edging it up for a second, and then I don't know how
I'm
it
getting
did.
filled at
Comes back
numbers that
down,
aren't
but
real. I don't care.
that wasn't the smartest buy. Back through 15 and then through 20 now.
Can I get? I'm gonna.
Quick tip at 15 if it holds. Should be adding here if buyers come in. Bang. Nice, but this. Oh, that hurts. It hurts. It hurts. It hurts. Why? every other time on this thing, like on the, not every other time, but like on the 3 break and on a lot of these breaks, it would pop and then come back down and then go more. So I was probably in my head thinking that that was going to happen again. I read it perfectly, and I'm selling there. Get out 22, could have been out in the 40s right there easily. Oh man, that hurts. It hurts to watch. That one's on me though, just sold too soon. It's a perfect read. I mean, I saw exactly what was happening, but just sold too soon. That sucks. Another quick one there, thinking it was going to go back through 50, sold when it wasn't. It's a big tip. If it soaks all the way back up, it's looking like it's going to go through 50. Could be big,
By the
but
time I get filled, I can't even
now they're holding it down, pushing it down.
quit instantly for me. I don't know.
Now looking at Foxo for a sec. Oh yeah, I sucked ass on this thing early on. Tiny halt bands because it closed below 75 cents yesterday.
74,
They just pushed the halt though. Was it 70, now it's 74. Looking for buyers to come in. Like that. It's like a total fucking just brainer there. Like I have no reason to be buying there. There's a 3-cent loss for absolutely no reason. 19 bucks, just shit right down the drain. It's like a whatever trade that I really don't need to be taking. Just need to be focusing on taking the high percentage, good risk reward trades instead of these little random ones. It's looking good now, especially if it can hold up over that 36, or at least over 30. This thing would be looking primed.
Yeah, I am too.
Kind of at a standstill in this candle. A little unnecessary. Looked like they might send it right there, but small loss. And then boom, boom. If they hold it here, you're dead. And they hold down 50 again and then teleport it. But they did hold it high, yeah. That's just an edge bust. Hold it high right there.
I missed it.
This thing wasn't easy at all, but definitely missed a lot that I could have been catching.
Yeah, let me get this prep.
What else we got? Took some small losses on it.
I knew it.
Back on Foxo. Looks like I caught a decent trade on it. They're just edging the halt level higher. Waiting to see them push it here, and then once the buyers come in. Still at 65. Pushed it to 70 right there. And then waiting for some buyers. Holding 63 hard here, soaking it. Nope. Just waiting for the reversal. And Bang. There it is. Hold it, because I'm figuring if we're going to push it at least close to the halt level.
I sell too soon.
And then I sell it there when it stops, just because I'm like, they might go 1 more cent, but I'm not going to risk losing profit trying to hold it for the extra cent.
72.
So I end up pushing it, but
Push the halt level like 78.
70's that double top level, but the halt level's right there at 72, so kind of wanting to see them push it higher before try to go for a break on it. Sorry.
What, you good? Yeah,
Okay, 70 bust.
no.
Oh, I'm pretty sure I laid on this one like an absolute buffoon.
No, I knew it.
No. I know on another break that I did for sure. Ooh, what's the point of this ad? Oh. Unnecessary. Selling that one too soon.
I sell too soon.
View op's right there, and then the hole was right behind it, so
Lock
kind of
it.
wait for them to push the halt. There's 80 now. And there's edge in this halt level and pushing it up. I think they end up blocking it there, and they do. This candle's going green, and I'm add when it does go green, and I'm thinking, all right, when this goes green, it should give a big wow right away. So when it didn't go right away, I sold. But I don't mind the sell, but if anything, I could have re-added. Like it hesitated, but then bang right there.
I knew it was gonna do it.
Ah,
Shoulda.
fuck. Oh, how did I? Then I take a stupid loss on it. Let's see this. Buy it as it's falling for no reason. Oh, just like I was gonna hold there, but that was a stupid trade. High risk. Very dumb stuff. Just need to not do this dumb shit tomorrow or anytime. See this other dumb trade that I take. Sell. That one's just greed right there. Yeah, I'm angry at myself. That's a revenge hold right there. I'm trying to make back what I lost instead of trading what I'm actually seeing. So yeah, a little bit of tilt set in here. Going from green to red. But yeah, I did end up making more back later, I think, on oh, look at this nasty loss. Stupid, stupid. So yeah, a lot of dumb mistakes. I just need to be cleaner. That's all. I should not. I should not be doing as poorly as I am. And I have all the confidence, or I have all the proof that I can do it, and then I still like question myself, and then feel like shit. I don't know. I'm dumb. Anyway, better tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Peace.